Mwanchu mugereria ni Jumatano yerituko 11 ryo omotienyo yo gatatu umwaka w'2025 onomo Chinsa Ikomi goregoro asenchera yabene kurogeteseni kyao kyabene gye Soko TV aya namngana maye asenchera ereyo bwenyi hayare mutuna rona kwargenere iretera nchengoro kwa Daniel omwaga Amayia umorogo wabono esenchera yo bwengo mwanchu muri atuya chakabene kurwase county ya Nyamira bono mugabana abwe county ya Nyamira musike Amos Nyaribo nigomera naba MCA be county eyo eriko kwanda magendero ao ayobone tokiranibwa ase chigwodi chonsi amarongebere imeye county eyo ya Nyamira asa ene kiribuna akere ward nigego chakonyora amagendero arengaine Nyaribo nigabekire tene nibune serikali yaye nigego chakobwatrane serikali ne nabo igonigo yabekire semo chishiringi chimilioni chimya isana 250 ilikuwa amagendero yabo chenu asinyagitari ya Nyamira Arifaro Hospital manyanigo nigayane kiringe miroberi yo guchukwaga chegeti igiesa nige agati ya serikali ya county amo onerene James Matinga omu MCA we ward ya Kemera baigo mokonyi bo speaker ase county assembly ya Nyamira nigo aboliriyo kubwatira na kobo ilikuwa amagendero ase county yo ya Nyamira
Samari tango ko mheshimiwa James Matinga omu MCA we ward ya Kemera naende omu konyi bo speaker ase county assembly ya Nyamira Rero tuaru mugutano amono mo gabano ito omoske Amos Nyaribo ekerenga no gukwana ya magendero twagambire twegwana nirenga going forward tutageta abantu baito banyemera banyore mirimo twarigereria ji project twabegete twarorire at least baikirie 80% asoko prokiwa bano teteria abantu bako bwatsie gas aba wasiri aba chief officer aba director bagendere komento mukyoyo engere ji project gitwarekire chionzipi kinyara gokorwa aso mwako to gojako mwako onde onyo twasukire nana monda getente mi bari bande mbaro rondo manye bana gosabanga gisegi jiwe wona yanda etentangaze nga ndunde bwa disegi no mugabana wona yeye ndukore tukore namagendo igo bari bande bakuta ko segete binto kurwa isiko bono tigabato ribaga twamanye no mugabana na rimo to kwane nero bwanjiranire nga ogenda mutwe ore ndo ko gikokora namagendero tokore budget ye to jage budget ye ne gitoko na jigura tanyore bindo biri kwa bebe abantu baito banyamira twabakoreire igo ongo sababa MCA ngo sababa bari bakwa tse mugaba na bakoreras tokore meremo gitoko ja ko ndege ti ro de abantu baito ni gitwakore
na tera nego ikase county ya Kisii mwanchumwereria asengana yo gwichania sebono musacho yomo aserieta Rogers Masese oyokonyoro mokore meremo asenyagitari ya ema imeyo mochibo songo nigatoka gakwete asenyomba ya kebara imeya magacho yenyagitari eyo nigebatebakana buna akonyanya gosira no amenyete ase ensemeyo ikeri kirera ogukwa kwaje tikramenyekanya wikarabona iga abo asomuberoye orusiwe na kuyeroika asenkendu ya Kisii Training and Referral Hospital asebono botukibwa cha kibwe
Kwanero yo minto yo nyale ko bagakorara omwana oyiga daiti bese tiaye onywa maru ocho kurote bagakinga tibesa ngende ko kwani mama minto oyo mwabo no asirereta no alikira nere they were twins wono mwana oyo iga sabete tibese yaye akaserigwa akera serigwa akaibunga ne suspension ikabe suspension akakoreri ko butwe gasi wono mwana ona bakona kunywa maruga echo imamenyete Obeiro komenya echo yime no abige to boyanga bwaye ne box ondo sibibo kumore to ringa obeke box yeli ama box yali amariogo no akore to aranse urarororo kiebiserio tabwati omwana oyo amenyere bunege sambe becho yime mbako gukukwaye bono iga nduto bwato go itano konene gaki mwari kwanza moto konye moto bwatisi hema hospital twakane tibesito nto nyara ko bato gukwenjere ngabu ne tibesito chitigarete these people don't pay
Mbundi na abire mufanyikasi wa hema samatuka mangi Ano yo sirre bono iga Rogers Masese ekera atete na anyorete gas anchira morete gas bakora nere gas matuka mange batamu no yomwa yo koro ku Steve Masese nere na bakate gas akengaki ekera kota gas nera akabutu gas akagenda sinera agaika nera agakute semsemu yabu akuri
Samari tango kumori nikemto semanye kanitemu na viki jono mokoli gas wa Hema Hospital Limited na baire ngokore gasiga kuru ange miaka 3 yaerire lakini buna nachete nanje no nanyorete oyo muito oyo nyarire ko bagakorara rero nabo twabire to gwichani buno gusira kwaye asenge nchunga mpaka igoro marogo bapi abaroche kaine na abande ba minto gose nabo banyatu ko bagusanga buyarenge bone twaichanire gunera bono twaichanire gune chia bari chia bono mambinga Rogers osirire gento gia togosire mono nekera nga twachire twanyorira asasi era gusasa amenyete konyora na asa kongumono egento kerete tokomenya gukwa yega iga no umushahara obere gogotenena gose gokomenya matuka mange twabire tutanya ko batogwakanu iyo gachangia komenya mazingira mabe bana abande bamenyete isikoga igana barumba bwate challenges aigana ali asinga nchugo takano kubwa mono nda bantu mbanyora marube bakagenda nga abantu 15 abo balenka batarakano ndoganyete management ya to promising boto soti bale bagenderete batirende buna abantu twachoinete union was aligning our case today in court toganyete verdict torole ngangwa kanu tole na aba bachietenga ngwaka nubale baka na benefits cyabo egera batige konya kubwati konya gutachama igenchirenge bune yoro chemba ko yo muitachire ko magago siredia ubugima bwaye megaiga narayugora nde our appeal is asingencho bagoteba mono nga ntu sha teri gwaka na facility yeito our appeal kutia serikali kamoranje onye kirenga nekene muri gwaka na facility gakiri mutara ko kwanja motokonye chibese chitu nentu gisoke abantu batige komenya ubugima bunge buno baka no asingencho na sha bategemete ne togokorega sha yakane nyagitari atwakana
na togosuka mutu mwancho mugireria bono nigo murikio manaya se wizara ayoborendi gose defense muske Raymond Omoro abori yabo abisabu borendi kwenekya buna enibo ya serikali nkorendwere buna gose buna nchire yemo oyogo kyane chisegi kya kirengaki nigo enekire buna igetambo kirekyo nakyo kerarende enibo yense ya Kenya nigo ya kwanira ya korwa ase egekareka mo ogya integrated natural resource management program ikiyakorekana imeye Chinsemo chomo chiwe Eldoret
and also measure impact. We are going to implement it, and also at the same time as we do the implementation, to be able to monitor and also measure impact. Because at the end of the day, if we don't, if this project doesn't impact the livelihoods of our people, of the farmers, then it will be like money that has gone down the drain. And I like the focus on restoration of landscape, as well as strengthening livelihoods. And also measure impact. We are going to implement it, and also at the same time as we do the implementation, to be able to monitor and also measure impact. Because at the end of the day, if we don't, if this project doesn't impact the livelihoods of our people, of the farmers, then it will be like money that has gone down the drain. And I like the focus on restoration of landscape, as well as strengthening.
Ono mwancho mwiri abamenyi ibensemo ya gatito ejuere asensemo yebunge ya Nyeri town nigo baganire serikali gosieka kinyomba cyonsi cyobore gosechi oborebi nsemeyo mayaga ayo obukorwa abyoborebi gosira magemabo komentakana gukwana hekero barenge kurobekana mayaga yo monto ogatato gosiro imabwa ya litsko lero nigo bamuganiriye umunene w'abanyanyimbo imeyense ya Kenya Douglas Kanja gokorera amuborendi bwensemeyo amonchirodiyo nakabarusha babusaba abanyanyimbo bari sensemeyo ababatebanga nigo bagenderete gokonyana elio kwene kinga amarwati kwenderete ngogenderare koniwa
hii maneno ya hii mtoto yangu nimeelezewa asubuhi kitu kama saa 3 sikuwa najua, na nikaja nikachukuliwa nyumbani, nikija nikakuta ameaga, na inaonekana ni pombe tu imemumaliza.
Tuondolee hizi vilabu zote, afadhali tuletewe makanisa hapa. Tutumbuize na tuhudumu Mungu. Juu ya hizi mapambe ya jambo na zingine zinaitwa kadaya na hizi madawa ya kulevya zote ziishe. Sisi tumekasirika na leo tumefed up.
Polisi hawasaidii. Wenye wako sahi hawasaidii. Kwa sababu kama ni masaa ikifika wanakujaka kuchukua pesa zao. Lakini ikifika wakati kama huu hawako hapa.
Tumejaribu kuongea, tumejaribu kuambia wakubwa wenye wako huku, hakuna mtu anatusikiliza. Last year tulikuwa tunaongea juu ya pombe ingine. Ilikuwa bado imemaliza watu wengi sana.
Mwanchi mwiriria Togos Kamutu nigo wono moseneta bwe county ya Nairobi omosike Edwin Sifuna nigo asingere buna ukubwatirana tukweyo gatiye kiama kiria kia UDA amo one kiama kiria ODM asekeringa nigo kwareta chitariki sana ibere chomotienyo yoga ogatatu gukwana hasege karo kia alinda amwananchi kigia korekana somo bagani amo imeye mu Nairobi. Sifuna nigo yanekiriwe na serikali enene nigo yairire emirobiri yonsi ye county ya Nairobi yegentokere maminchaniri chiko.
There is no longer any document binding us with UDA. It expired on the 7th of March. We have said that that extension is illegal, and therefore, nobody can tell us that there is any other relationship that we have. I also watched with a lot of consternation that people would sit in that room and just listen to blatant lies and clap, actually. We want to remind those governors as senators, because they always come to us, Governor Orengo, saying, oh, Sifuna, you and the Senate must push for more resources for us. And then they can sit there. They come and even complain that the disbursements never follow the disbursement schedule that is passed by the Senate, that they are 3-4 months behind in their allocation. Then the president is lying in your presence, saying that disbursements are up to date, and you are there just seated clapping, waiting for Sifuna to defend you. You know, some of these things, Governor, they don't make any sense. Devolution is under threat. I will just mention a few things that have already been mentioned. It is a blatant lie. They brought a document called a budget policy statement. We processed it. The figure there is 420 billion in this financial year, a paltry 5 billion shillings extra for devolution from 415 billion in the last financial year. And then you as a governor, having read that document, knowing your members of parliament in the National Assembly have already passed the division of revenue at 420. Somebody is telling you they will give you 450, and you are clapping. I think the problem in Kenya is worse than we thought. There is a very big problem somewhere. Now, let me tell you about my own seat in Nairobi. Baba's intention was to make sure that every function that is designated as a devolved function is actually devolved to the counties. The national government continues to hold functions that they have no business holding. And as Ososi has said here, instead of honoring the legacy of Mzee, because Baba was called the father of devolution, by ensuring that we actually fully devolve all these functions, the county government, the national government is actually snatching responsibilities of the county government. They spoke about the 80 billion that he likes to throw around, saying he's helping Nairobi. First of all, the national government owes Nairobi over 100 billion shillings. All they need to do is to pay us our money. Just pay us our money.
Na omubunge bwensemo yebunge ya Kitutu uchache South Mosque Anthony Kibagendi nere huyukira na senseme yoniga mo chiboromu waziri bo wizara ya bochenu adendware hasekeringa nigo agendrete kwebwatirania nebe krobo kurumi imiyeke gancha keria agiasha korengana na Kibagendi dwale nere engenchenene ya sha etari konyara koremeremo ogoikabona iga.
thing I would like to talk about is corruption, and focus for me will be around the Ministry of Health and SHA. You realize this is an area I've given a lot of attention, and you have seen me even at one point have a very intense altercation with the architect of corruption in that ministry, Honorable Duale. Honorable Duale constantly plays politics with the people of this country. You have seen the Auditor General has given reports, not once, not twice, whereby lots of money have gotten lost from SHA. And I am here to tell you that I sit in the Health Committee, and I can confirm that we have a problem. We have a problem in the Ministry of Health, from personnel management all the way to how SHA is being run. We have what we call conflict of interest, particularly from the same architect of this looting, who is one of the chief suppliers in Chinsa. He is a provider of the system that has totally refused to work in SHA. And they are the people who ensure hospitals that do not exist or hospitals that do not offer services are the ones that are paid first. You know, this regime is allergic to truth. And that is why when I said the other day that Parliament has been auctioned, and I'm saying it here again, and those who have a moment, please talk to Honorable Tangula, Senior Counsel. I saw Honorable Tangula go when you were having the LSK elections. The gentleman does not even realize he needs to have a practicing certificate to be able to vote. And he's here coming with what I can call Bukusu Diskomatanga rules to use them in Parliament for issues, things I've said outside Parliament. We need to have a Parliament that protects wananchi, a Parliament that fights corruption.
Togotigara ase igikare kyo mwancho muriria asensemo yaye mubunge bwensemo yebunge ya Embakasi East Babu Owino niga mochiriboro orobotiroria rwa 10 point agenda orwaso agatibwe ritkore goro ase igikaro okiara yuteno morai bwensemo ske William Ruto karengana na Babu oroboti orwo ndoraikenetya maganio oyaba Kenya na nigoro oroboti irwo borimo obonene asingirere buna abakenya tibara yagwa mirimo wikabonegane serikali na nigo bagendrete egwetera imechando eremenene.
About the 10-point agenda that was purportedly released yesterday, I want to say that that was just a mere PR exercise. Everything that was released yesterday was all gibberish. It was all balderdash. It was neither important nor detailed. The detailed parts were not important, and the important parts were not detailed. I want to talk about a few issues that I saw. Issues revolving around the 10-point agenda points to a specific thing. Jobs, jobs, jobs. Jobs for the youth, jobs for our women, jobs for our men. This nation, we were promised jobs, that we would get jobs to a tune of around 1 million jobs annually per year. What are we seeing in return? Just PR exercise. With the issue of the jobs, because of lack of jobs, the youth are going on the streets. Because of lack of jobs, our people are suffering. People are opposing this government simply because there are no jobs that we are supposed to give to our youth, men and women in this country. We look at the important things that must be done by this government to create jobs, and they haven't considered any of them.
Mancho mulgeria cha utochi deka Ikomi na isano na isato igoro ye Chinsa Ikomi chiaba na margoba abo nongo saba wikero mwerio mangana Amayia hasentira yo bwengonde nyoranga ensayemo amone Chinsa isto chabo tuko mangana yino nyora asentira ye bekanu Frida Kerubo kosek Frida Kerubo bakobwatira na Anere Clinton ondigi yemo asayemo nyato masekwe banga itko na litko liria aria kemoya ismara chikosomanie ingana ayake moya litko orialero na igoto mase komo chomurubirio yo gochakira ensayemo oya margoba Esibonega kugotiga somoro ibongoria marekonere edunyanga mwana mboka munyangaria mareko ikense yemo ya margoba atoldi Kelvin Mogoi amona Barnabas Ondari bonsi waringemega yemenyonjo kwenekinga chibicha amona Mariogi agoikeire asenchira ere eyobo ikanu Daniel omwaga na rietariane omaragoba motoereru